And ano din kasi to, kagandahan din, this is very ideal for our investors na more on passive income.
Correct.
Talaga. Kasi everything will be managed by Megaworld Hotels and Resorts. So parang wala na silang, kumbaga, gagawin dito yung mga investor. They just have to pay for the monthly ng hotel nila. At the same time, getting an income as well.
Correct.
Yearly from Megaworld Hotels and Resorts. And kagandahan pa, ilang units natin with Savoy Hotel?
Actually, by the numbers, total number of units is 374. And yung pinaka-land area, 2,397 square meter more or less. And only 16 floors meron lang tayo. So there's an exclusivity. Diba?
Yes. Napaka-swerte nung 374 investors, di ba, na makakabili sa Savoy Hotel.
Correct. Ayun.
So sila lang din, 374, sila lang din yung maghahati-hati ng income ng buong hotel building. Kasi even lahat ng income ng building will be combined and then to be distributed sa lahat ng owners. So even yung mga retail stores on the ground floor, wellness spa, we also have wellness spa inside as one of the amenities. Ano pa yung meron natin? Ang dami, function rooms. So imagine, mag-rent kasi sa isang function room ngayon. 4 hours lang. 4 hours lang. With food, ang mahal. It's like 280,000 pesos. So, talagang malaki yung advantages or madaming advantages yung being a hotel unit owner here in Savoy Hotel.